Hello again. Welcome to AJ's workshop. Today I'm going to be putting a security device on the sliding door of my Warwick XL Peugeot Boxer campervan. The reason I'm doing that is because we're off to France this year. We'll be staying in a lot of airs out of the way. So just be nice to have a little bit more security. Anyway, let's get on to the unpacking. This is what we've got in the box. I had to get this device from Germany, believe it or not, because I couldn't get hold of one in this country. But it wasn't too expensive. That's what it looks like. And it was €58.80, whatever that is in pounds. There's the address. Got instructions here, but they're not much good because they're in German. It'd be alright if you could speak German. This is what we've got in the bag. They kindly given us some longer bolts, Allen key. That's the bracket that goes on the inside of the side of the door, and that bolts onto the seat belt anchorage and then clips onto there, thus stopping the door being open from the outside. This is the first thing we're going to do, is take this plastic block off by here, which is 2 Allen keys, and the other part of it fits on the seatbelt anchorage. It just hooks over there. Okay, let's get this off. Okay, that's the first step done. Get these bolts out here. Oh. And then we get our 2 longer bolts, which were supplied with the kit. Washers on. Washers won't fit, so we'll leave them. Now we get our bracket. That will fit on like that. Let's tighten these up. Not too tight. And if I can get my cameraman to come round, this hooks over the seatbelt anchorage like that. That just hooks onto there. And then that's as far as you can open the door. So great job. If the camera follows me to the back of the camper van, this is what I fitted to the back doors. It just simply bolts on both sides, and then you get the clip over there, and then the doors can't open. You'll feel nice and safe at night. I hope that helps. I'll put links, the brackets, in the link below, and I hope this helps you. Bye bye.